Unfortunately, some of my overwintered plants aren't really looking very healthy. So the three here, which are Peppadew types, they've been indoors most of the winter, but they haven't yet produced any leaves in the spring. So I'm wondering if they are actually dead, but I'm going to leave it a little bit longer before giving up on them just yet. And up here on the windowsill there are my two remaining Trinidad Perfume ones, which again they don't seem to be producing any leaves yet. Hopefully they will, but they might not. They might be dead. And there's right. So on this windowsill I've got a few things here. There's under here there's some tree wisteria and Jacaranda mimosa, and the tree wisteria has come up. I've got several seedlings there. There's no real sign of the Jacaranda seedlings, but the packet did say they can take quite a long time to germinate, so I'm going to leave them for now. Now this one is the so here is my ice cream tub with seedlings of the Peppadew. So those are the ones which may not be alive, but I have got some of the seedlings of them to germinate, and there's at least 5 of them that have come up so far.